This would be Umut, I think, from Asterisk VNF. Are you around, Umut?
Yes. Actually, I couldn't finish all the tasks that was desired in this Hackfest, but I could instantiate the function, the Asterisk, on 2 different videos, and I could manage to construct a VNFT file and NST file. Maybe I can show that.
Sure.
And
sure, let me give you a screen.
There's not much, but that's an honest work. Can you see my screen?
Yes, now we can.
Okay. Firstly, I'd like to show you what I tried to write. And this one. So for the Asterisk VM, I thought that maybe I could use 2 different VM, one of them for the phone connection, and one of them that runs the Asterisk service. So I construct a VNFT file like this, and I use some config primitives to install the Asterisk on one of the VM, and right now I can install the Asterisk on VM by using proxy charm, and also I can config the SIP accounts in the initial config primitives, but sending some function as a day2 primitives are not working right now. I don't know why, because I don't have a time to debug this issue, and I can show you that. In this virtual machine, the Asterisk is working, as you can see in here. And this is I achieved this by writing a Python code in proxy charm. And if you are not trusting me about this matter, I can show you that I didn't attach into this virtual machine yet. And as you can see, Asterisk is also installed in this machine too. And also, I can mention that I can send some primitives without taking an input, like restarting the service itself. This doesn't become a problem, but when I try to give when I try to create a SIP account with a given ID, that doesn't work right now. And also, I thought that at the end of this progress, I could create SIP accounts, and I could create some extensions to these accounts. For example, when you press 1, it dials something. When you press 2, it dials somebody else, and things like that. I could create a telesecretary kind of an application. But as you see in here, it doesn't work. And I couldn't have time to look at it because I am the only person that works on this manner right now. So this is what I achieved. Maybe I can show you the code that I wrote in here. I don't know if this is the correct way to do it, but I am installing classes like this by using proxy charm, and I'm writing the config by using these commands, and the creating SIP account is not working right now. Adding extensions also not working, and just starting Asterisk is working, and these are also working, but I didn't put them in demo. So that's what I try to achieve. I couldn't finish on time with all the desired functions, but I can. I do the day 0 and day 1 primitives, I guess. But I have a problem in day 2. Thanks for listening to me. That's all from me right now. And I would like to thank all of the OSM community for giving us a chance to work on these well-established cloud machines. And it was a really good chance for us. It was a really good hands-on experience. And that's all. If you have any questions, I can answer that.
The first thing that I just wanted to say, confirm, you were essentially doing this by yourself, right? You had no other team members that were helping?
No, I write all the code by myself.
This is a lot to have accomplished for one person during this time frame. So I believe the OPC folks as well were just one, but I mean this is very good. It's not easy, especially with all this learning. So congratulations on what you've got done here. And absolutely, any contributions, any, the folks, all of you who have participated in this Hackfest, you have helped move OSM forward. And just because the Hackfest, ends and where the VPNs will go down on Monday, doesn't mean that this is the end. I'll actually put Sylvia on the spot in a moment to talk about our POC program, but we do have additional programs and things for anyone who's interested in formalizing something with OSM, or if you just want to continue with any of this work or researches and whatnot. We're a relatively friendly community, I hope, and would love to keep working with all of you on this. So, if you want to keep taking a look at this, we certainly would love to help you as well. So, anything that you're interested in, just let us know.
Okay, thanks for your kind comments. And I was real depressed because I couldn't finish. I couldn't see the finish line. But your kind words really motivates me. And I wish I can finish it by the end of the weekend, so that I can share my progress with you on the Slack.
Well, that would be awesome. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. So before I ask Sylvia just to give a quick note on any on the POC stuff, was there any other questions for Umut and what he what has been shown with Asterisk here?